I'm not worried about a thing, 'cause I know you are guiding me. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. Yes, that is the song Tati will be singing in her heart. Because, damn, he hates us with hate. But the grace will shine boku boku. Congratulations to Tati for, first of all, winning for the third time the head of house and then getting herself an automatic spot in the Big Brother Titans season 1 finale. Like, it is crazy and unbelievable. Like, I cannot even begin. Annette had to comment in the congratulation picture I posted, and she was saying that I was very happy. And I'm like, I don't know what she's talking about, though. I don't know. I am, but well, am I not happy? I'm actually very happy. Congratulations to Tati. And we all know what's going to happen. We all know what's going to happen. If Tati, by any mistake, doesn't choose Kanaga Jnr. as a companion in the head of house and or save him from nominations or anything, it's going to be the craziest twist in Big Brother's house history ever. And now let me just even actually predict how the voting and nomination is going to be. For me, I feel somebody like Yvonne would choose people she's not really vibing with to come up, up for nominations. Maybe somebody like, she vibes to just people she's not vibing with. For Khosi, I know by all means, if she can vote Kanaga Jnr. 1 billion times, she'll put him up for nomination. For somebody like Ebubu, he really likes and would not want to hurt somebody like Tati, so he would not let himself get to pick Kanaga Jnr. for nomination. Thabang would choose Kanaga Jnr., I'm sure of that. Somebody like Justin would choose Kanaga Jnr. I just feel that in my gut. But however, if they let them nominate him 1 billion times, Tati would save him tonight. But if she doesn't, then it's going to be war. Of course, as expected, Big Brother began inviting the housemates. First off was Yvonne. He asked her to state 2 housemates she wanted to be up for eviction, and then of course give her reasons. She said Thabang and Black Boy, and her reason is because the both are strategic and they're also competitions to her. Next person was Khosi. Khosi, the drama queen, strutted into the diary room with a gloomy face. Everybody just literally has gloomy face. I don't know if because they're all scared that they might get up for eviction, but for someone like Khosi, she's always strategic, so it's a drama level, the drama queen. She started, cleaning her eyes without saying anything. Since she's like, I'm like, oh my God, girl, can you just stop? And then she started crying because Big Brother asked her what was the reason, like what was up, and she said there was nothing. And then he said, okay, now nominate 2 people up for eviction. She said Justin and Yvonne. And then Big Brother asked her, are you sure? She started continuing with her drama, whatever. Then soon she said Justin and Kanaga Jnr. Now her reason is because she didn't want to initially pick anybody. She doesn't want to pick Yvonne, Thabang, or Black Boy, but she feels that maybe Kanaga has fans and Justin has not been nominated in a while. Next housemates to be called into the diary room was Ebubu, and of course Big Brother asked him whom he was nominating for eviction. He said it was going to be Thabang and Khosi, and I'm like, I'm not surprised. And his reason is because it's based on 60% of intuition, on strength, and the person's ability to be durable in the Big Brother house, and that that's because he hasn't nominated them before, and I'm shocked that he hasn't nominated them, maybe individually or something. But then of course we had Thabang as the next housemates to be called into the diary room. He nominated Kanaga Jnr. as expected, and his reason is because he feels he's not close to him, and Kanaga Jnr. is a player and strategic. Next person was Yvonne because he feels that he's the least person close to her. And then he said he doesn't even care. Now, this is what he said when he was going to sit down, that he doesn't care if anyone likes how he thinks or not. I'm like, okay. Next housemates to be called into the diary room was Black Boy, who nominated Thabang because he feels that Thabang is a very big nomination competition, just like he said last week. And then surprisingly, I expected he was going to nominate somebody like, Khosi. He said Justin because he feels that Justin has not been up much. He was not up last week. And then, he needs to be up, something like that. Next, we had Kanaga Jnr., who nominated Thabang and Khosi as expected. Now, according to him, he sees them as top competitions, top players, and that's basically his reason, nothing else. He also kept a straight face. I'm like, okay. Then we had Tati, who nominated, we had Justin, who nominated Kanaga Jnr. and Khosi, and now that's his reason is because he's not close to either of the housemates. I'm like, okay, boy, I thought you were having a very good conversation with Khosi just yesterday or 2 days ago, or maybe it was just her strategy to get you on her good side. Last but not the least is Tati, who nominated Black Boy because she feels that he was not nominated last week and that, he should stand up. I'm like, girl, that's a shade. And then, of course, she said Khosi. I knew she was going to say Khosi first off because she really doesn't like Khosi. Now, her reason was because Khosi is competitive and a game player. Of course, just like every other person, Big Brother warned her not to have a conversation about her nomination to any of the housemates. She smiled and said, of course, she has learned her lesson, especially with what happened when she was a pair. Now, of course, Big Brother had to call the housemates who were up for nomination and, up for eviction this week for this Sunday. First off was Thabang. Then we had Khosi. We then had Kanaga Jnr. We then had Black Boy, Justin, and last but not the least, Yvonne. Now, Big Brother announced that at least one of the housemates who are up for eviction will be evicted this coming Sunday. He warned that none of them should have a conversation about the nomination and should not solicit or campaign for votes. If not, it will be punished. Now, I believe Tati, because like I said, I didn't watch it. I believe Tati picked Kanaga Jnr. to spend time with her in the head of house lounge. And then, of course, there is no veto power anymore. I think that started from last week because I didn't see it happen this week. But one thing I can say for sure, I hope all of you are voting for your favorites because it's going to be shocking. I can easily predict that somebody like Justin and Yvonne might get evicted, or Justin, Yvonne, and Black Boy might get evicted, or maybe Justin and Black Boy. But the people that I'm sure are going to stand out and not get evicted would be, first of all, Kanaga Jnr. Now, I'm saying I'm sure because if it goes the way we expect, he will be saved by Tati's voters and his own voters, and he might get to reach the finale. Somebody like Khosi, all her fans will go all out for her. Then we had Thabang, whom is going to play games this week and get saved. But of course, we don't know what's going to happen. However way it goes, we are expecting this week to be crazy and outstanding. Again, vote for your favorites or else you'll be shocked for your life.